Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have another one of my Zodiac sign makeup, and this is the Virgo look that I'm going to be creating. And if you like this kind of videos, and if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. But if you want to see how I did this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I have already done this eye and my brows. I used the LIDL Brow Perfect pencil and also the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. And today I did it a little bit different. I am priming my lid and also my under eye area. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define to prime my eye. And then I'm going to set it with powder, and then I'm moving to eyeshadow. Okay, so my eye is primed, and the Virgo sign has just started on August 23rd, and on my search, the color palette for the Virgo sign, it's an earth sign, and the color palette is basically green and brown. And actually this will be the first of the second round of elements that I do. I don't know if I explained that right, because I started with Taurus, that is my zodiac sign, and that is an earth sign, and now this is the second earth sign that I have. And on that Taurus makeup look, I also used brown and green, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. That one actually came out a little bit, or a lot, intense and dark, and I wanted to make this one a little bit more soft and light. So for this look, I'm using the You Can Be Magic Spell eyeshadow palette. That is this one, or if you have the Lime Crime Venus XL2, you can also use that one, because this one is a dupe, but I really loved it. And the first look I've done with this, I used pinks and greens, and today I'm doing a brown-green look. So I was very excited to use these two, and I did. So I'm going to start with the shade Bewitchment, and I'm just using a small bit of this one to kind of make the next shade blend a little bit better, even though I did set my eye. And this will create a very soft transition. And also taking it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade Invisible, and I'm gonna start building my crease with this one, starting with my outer corner. And I'm gonna build up the color little by little. And I am putting it a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes. And I want to do kind of a rounded shape, so I'm taking it on my outer corner, then on my crease, and then I'm taking it on my lower lash line. That's why I primed both the lid and the under eye area. Pinching the brush and going along my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm happy with how this one looks. Now I'm taking a smaller brush, and I'm taking the shade Evil to deepen the outer corner, and then also bring it a little bit on my crease, but this time on my actual crease. taking again the other brush just with whatever's left to kind of blend this upper part. Now I'm taking a small brush to take a little bit of that shade just on the outer corner here and connect the lower lash line. Okay, now for the shimmers, I'm gonna do a half cut crease. Okay, and now on the outer corner and on this kind of transition area, I'm going to take the shade Dispel, that is this really pretty shimmer brown, and I'm pressing it, blending it a little bit in. On this central area, I'm going to take Black Magic, and I'm really taking it with my finger because this shade looks a little bit glittery. It does look better with the finger. I'm just pressing it, and now with the brush, I'm gonna blend it a little bit on top of the brown. A little bit with the brush to kind of blend this area, and also a little bit of the brown. Really want those two shades really blended together. And now on this more inner part, I'm going to take Charm, that is this one, and this one has a little bit of a pink shift. I think that looks really nice with this look. It's almost a little bit like a duochrome shade. I take it a little bit on top of the other green. Okay, so with kind of a pencil brush, I'm taking again the shade Dispel, and I'm putting it on my lower lash line. And I am taking again the shade Charm with that same small brush to highlight the inner corner, and I'm also taking it on the lower lash line, on this very inner part. For eyeshadow and to highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the shade Incantation and just need a little bit. You can see it there, it's very reflective. So if I'm at a slightly different angle, that's because I had to change my battery, but I am just trying to make this cut crease a little bit higher because my hooded eyes aren't similar, but that's just basically adding a little bit more of these three shades that I used. And yeah, now it looks a lot more similar. Okay, so for eyeshadow, that is it. Now I'm going to take the Kiko Everlasting Kajal on my waterline. I'm doing a small wing liner with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And for mascara, I'm using the Avon Mark Mega Effects Mascara. Actually, I haven't used this one in a while, and I kind of liked the separation it gives, but is a little easy to smudge. So I'm just going to let that dry and then I'll scrape it off. But I'm gonna do my base and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just done my foundation, concealer, powder, and I also did a little bit of cream blush. I used the Kiko Velvet Touch, and this one is in the shade 02, but I'm not exactly loving the way it looks on this side. But I think it looks kind of similar, so I'm just gonna leave it be. I kind of need to get the hang of this one. For bronzer, I'm using this one from Freedom. And I'm just kind of doing a slightly soft look, or trying to. For highlighter, I'm taking the Revolution Reloaded in Just My Type. The blush already gave it a little bit of a glow, but I'm just adding a little bit more. On my Taurus makeup, I did it with a pink lipstick, I think, but for this one I'm using the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in Chauffeur. First, because this is a more nude color, and second, because I've been loving this. And to set my makeup, I'm using the Primark Fix and Perfect Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the look finished. Let me give you a close-up of the eyes. So this is what the eyes look like. It's a very brown-green look, and I think because it's the same kind of colors, it is a little bit similar to the Taurus look, but this one is a lot more soft. And these are both earth signs, so these are both earth looks. So yeah, if you have any Virgos in your family or friends, or if you are a Virgo, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think of this look. To me, my closest Virgo is my mom, and I do think she would wear these kind of colors because I kind of forgot to clean that up. I was saying, I think she would wear these kind of colors, these brown and a light green. I think it would suit her. And yeah, if you liked this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And on my next video, I'm going to have my August favorites. You can kind of guess some of them. And if you'd like to see that and other videos every Monday and Thursday, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!